This quick guide will teach you how to change the matter status in Clio Manage. Whether you're new to Clio or just need a refresher, updating the status of a matter is a straightforward process that can help keep your case management organized and up to date. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Matters section in Clio Manage. You'll find this on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Clicking on Matters will take you to a list of all your current cases. From here, scroll through or use the search feature to locate the specific matter you want to update. With so many cases potentially on your list, using the search function can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a large number of matters to manage. Once you've located the matter you wish to update, click on it to open its dedicated dashboard. Here, you'll see a comprehensive overview of the case details. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of this dashboard. You'll notice a drop-down menu that displays the current status of the matter. Typically, this status is set to open, but it could be different depending on the case's progress. Click on this drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of options for the new status. You can choose between pending, closed, or open. Each status serves a different purpose, so pick the one that best represents the current phase of your case. For instance, if you're waiting on paperwork or a response, pending might be the appropriate choice. If the case has been resolved, selecting closed would be suitable. Now, if you decide to change the status to closed, there's a bit more to do. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill out any optional closing details or reasons for closing the matter. This step is crucial as it helps maintain a clear record of why a case was closed, which can be invaluable for future reference. Take a moment to enter any pertinent information in the fields provided. Remember, while these fields are optional, providing detailed reasons can be helpful for your records and for anyone else who might need to review the case later on. After you've made your status selection and filled in any necessary details, it's time to finalize the update. Simply click the Update Matter button. This action saves your changes and updates the matter's status accordingly. It's always a good idea to double-check that your updates have been saved correctly. You can do this by looking at the status drop-down once more to ensure it reflects your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the matter status in Clio Manage. This simple yet essential task helps you keep your legal practice organized and responsive to the needs of your clients and cases. Staying on top of matter statuses ensures that everyone on your team is informed and that your client communications are as efficient as possible. Thanks for following along with this quick tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Clio Manage tutorials for more tips and tricks to streamline your case management process.